Hey, look.
What?
Third half in a row that I've remembered to hit it.
You hit the right button. Good for you, sweetheart. Well done. Swear with this team though, it's like keeping the video running because they are definitely tempers flare. Yes. I know. You only got 20 minutes left. Go get him.
We got to get you on video.
Make sure it didn't happen. That was fun. Well, he's as gregarious as Larry is.
Yes. Not sure what he wants there out of that.
I don't know. But then you and I, remember, you and I are looking at this from a rugby perspective, where it's just kind of like, like even that. It's kind of like.
Yeah, that looked more like our guy fell.
That totally looked like our guy fell down. I just don't.
Fall down, go boom.
I just don't get it. Here's an example. You know who Jeff Walker is? Comes out and plays touch. He's an old guy. He's
name's familiar.
I want to say he's late 60s at this point. He's raised 5 kids. They were like Jeff was a competitive swimmer in college. All of his kids did either swimming or water polo in college. 6 kids, 5 or 6, I don't know. Sid was a big fan of Jeff's. Jeff comes out. Jeff's a private investigator, but he comes out.
That's where
touch.
I've heard the name.
Yes.
Talked about him being.
So he comes out to play touch on Wednesdays or Sundays when his schedule allows. So today he's coming off. He's coming off the field, and it's like I noticed the side of his shirt has got a ton of blood stains on it. And I'm like, Jeff, I think you're bleeding. And he's like, oh yeah. He's like, when you get old and your skin is just like, man, it doesn't take much, and it just rips. He's like, this one's from my watch. It's like, he's still bleeding. He's got blood all over the side of his shirt from where he's been wiping his arm. It's just, my skin's just fragile. So, oh God, he's a hoot. He is just a hoot. Because I want to say he's got to be approaching 70 at this point. But he's training for a marathon. He went for a run in the Alps.
See, it proves he's gotten old. He's got dementia.
Well, who's it? Oh, so Matthias and I were talking with him, and we were like, oh, we haven't seen you for a while. And, oh yeah, I've been traveling, and I've been getting back into that running thing, and I went for a run in the Alps the other day, and did about 10 miles. It's just like, oh, yeah, he's a hoot. He's really. He's a good guy. Oh yeah, my skin just rips. My skin's old. It's not like yours. I don't even know what you. I think of myself as old, and then I hang out with people like you, and never mind. Well, they're up by 5, so why not?
And I don't understand. I thought they should only be up by 4 because it should have been. I thought they scored a third goal right at the end of the half.
Yeah.
But they never put the points on the board.
They are at a point where they may only be able to allowed to be scored like the
No. Blue
Oh.
scored against Luke.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought they had. I thought they kind of squeezed it in, and I thought we started back with a re-kick in the center, but maybe we didn't. Maybe there was something wrong with the shots. Yeah, so Luke's math was a 710 out of 800.
710 on the math?
Yeah. And
He's my son.
690 on English.
He's my son. I got 650.
So he I think that's what I got. I may have had a 1350, maybe it was a 1250. But Luke got 100 point. He jumped by 100 points between the two SATs.
Oh, I thought you said he jumped by 50.
I thought it was only 52, but I was on the SAT page to get his scores.
So he's at 14 or 1450?
14.
Okay.
And he's
So he went from
13.
13 to 14.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I think that was a bad call.
Did his shoe just fall apart?
Waited too long. Moving gingerly, but he's moving. He's being careful. He went back in. Went back off.
Good. Oh, nice ball.
Yeah, clogged things up enough.
Oh, that was a nice move. Jeez. Oh! That was interesting because Ollie didn't want to shoot it.
I thought he was trying to shoot. He was passing to one of the other guys.
Well, it's tragic about Antonio, though, and his wife.
I didn't hear.
Antonio lost his wife this summer from leukemia. I guess it was like a 3-month really rapid decline. He had a short fuse taken off and then there are still people over there drinking beer, though.
What are you implying, that after this game we should go drink beer?
So I looked over to check and see if we were like. That's cool. I remember when Tears at first came along, we got so much stuff right at the beginning. It would have been helpful to get some stuff later on. So I am perfectly willing to wait for them to figure out what they need. But
6 minutes left.
they're doing great, both games. bud. Oh, your hands are cold. That's weird that your hands are colder than mine.
Yours are warm.
Oh, I'm toasty right now. I am in my soft shell pants and a wool sweater and a down jacket. Are you kidding? I'm toasty. You know, when I showed up at the brewery and I saw that they had chosen a table outside, I was like, oh, really? I get that it's sunny, but
You had your mittens with you, didn't you?
no, I didn't. But it actually, it was in the table was in the sun, and I had enough layers on to stay warm.
3.5. And hopefully I have enough battery life, because I got my 15% battery saver warning.
You got your battery warning when?
That there was only 15% of the...
15%.
I think tonight should help them get over the weekend, or over yesterday.
I still am interested in talking to him about the goal where he might be on a guy Muslim.
I think that would be good to talk to him about that. And I watched it. I had, because it was on the the computer that I had behind the goal.
Oh yeah.
And you can see, just got enough of a nudge on him that Luke couldn't hold on to the ball.
Yeah, and that's something that should never happen. Right?
Exactly, because he's coming forward too. He should have had all the momentum with him.
All the momentum, and you should also have all of the confidence that this is my box.
Yep.
And anything that comes into my box is mine.
Yep.
Right? Because the players are not allowed to rough him up. Right? They're not allowed. So if he gets his hand on it, right? Like that guy. You know, it's like they are, and that if there's one thing that I have seen that soccer players are still pretty good about, you know, pretty gentlemanly about, is that they don't rough the field.
Yeah.
They don't. I mean, it happens, like as we saw in that time where I just about came out of the stands and gave the ref a earful. But in general, you don't see it, and it's mainly because I think that goalkeepers have made it not worth their while, right? They've made it bruising enough.
Yeah, and Luke hasn't.
Yeah. So, I mean, I'm kind of like, you know, I'm kind of like, hey, look, when you're, you know, when you're done with your high school soccer, you need to get out and even just go go to some practices with the Lions. Just get some contact. Freaking, it's like you may not feel comfortable about it, and you may not want to play, but